You can see the outline where the walls used to be on the floor, and we extended the bathroom further out. We used to be slightly over 5 feet. Now we are approximately 7 feet, and basically everything inside here is getting relocated. Also, the attic access, we had to relocate it. It used to be in the bathroom, now it's here. This is the walk-in closet. You can see the color, the different color on the floor is where the closet used to be. Now it's going to be a very big walk-in closet. We had to relocate the floor vent, and we have it in the wall. We haven't installed the lights in here yet, but there are outlines where we are going to drill and put them in. We wanted to worry about the kitchen first so that we can get the counter. While we are waiting on the counter, we can work up here. So far, everything's going great.